...2022 Puma XLE 22RBC. What do you think about it, Dave? First thoughts, first impression.
First thoughts, it's smaller, but it's, I noticed, dual axle. It's got the awning and the lights. Am I missing something?
Nope. I just wanted to put you on the spot for a minute, because I didn't really know what else to say about it either.
It's
a nice
big
camper,
window
guys.
here.
This is actually similar to the other walkthrough I did earlier of the IBEX. Similar floor plan, so kind of some deja vu going to happen.
I know what you're thinking, but we get a lot of people that tune in, like are just tuning in now. That's what I have to keep telling myself, is that some people watch over and over all day long, and we love those folks. Some tune in occasionally, so this may be brand new. So we have
Absolutely.
it's hard to pretend like it's brand new because we've gone through something like it earlier, but let's do it. Let's hit it.
Well, basically, guys, I mean, really not too much to mention out here. Stabilizer jacks, awning, everything's power. Pass-through storage.
You know, we could talk about that real quick. We haven't talked about the bucket yet.
Oh, you haven't?
We've seen it a couple times and haven't talked about it.
Well, let's get to it, guys. Just a starter kit. This is going to go to all of our customers. So everyone here that purchases from RV Wholesalers gives you everything that you need to camp right away. A lot of people actually travel long distances to get here, and they want to go use this thing as soon as they get done doing the paperwork. We just make sure you have everything that you need to get camping right away. And we have some really nice state parks in the area, too, that you could use those things out.
And here in April, you're going to have some spots here at the dealership.
Yes, finally getting a light at the end of the tunnel on that. So we'll have, I'm not going to toss a number out there, but I know it's in the double. I know it's more than 10, and we're going to have spots where you can just stay here for the evening or a quick weekend and hang out, test everything before you get back home.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. We're heading inside.
Let's take a peek.
All right.
So, a little bit different layout here, guys.
It is.
Fixed bed, storage everywhere. You can open that one over here.
Yeah.
Hang up storage on both sides, a his and hers, little bookshelf and whatnot up here, nooks. Also have some storage underneath the bed.
Yep.
So I'll be enclosed there for the pass-through storage.
Some space on either side to put your electronics, your CPAP, whatever you need on the side.
Long shelf here, chargers and outlets on each side for you. All 12-volt lighting. I like what they're doing here with the aesthetics too. Puma XLE was actually created as like a baseline with as little options as possible, or as cheap as they could make it. And now it's already a couple years later competing with a lot bigger brands and floor plans and such. So
one thing I did notice that people may be wondering, there is no like couch or living space like that. So you either get comfortable here or you hang out in the dinette area.
Yep. The Murphy bed, of course. I think I'm partial to that when you're in such a smaller area, if you will. Just another spot to hang out, kick the shoes off, watch TV, and or if guests are over, you know.
Now, do you know if the Murphy bed is an option on this?
On the Pumas, they do have. Well, so it's not an option on this floor plan, but they have floor plans that offer that. Yep. So they certainly do for those that are looking to take a advantage of the little space that they have.
Well, and a lot of people that camp are probably thinking, I'm not going to sit in a living space and watch TV. Now, I love watching TV, and I would. But some of them are probably thinking, no, I go in there to sit and eat and sleep. Other than that, I'm out doing my thing. So
I'm in here when it's raining. I get that a lot, you know. So yeah.
So there's no reason for there's no reason for like a couch. All right. So let's talk about this kitchen. That's a big sink for a smaller RV.
It's a big sink,
big
cutting board,
sink.
Solid surface countertops, Corian there. The new paint, this is all 2022 styling here, so the new cabinetry colors, all the handles and everything looking real nice for us. Stuck with the stainless steel appliances, 12-volt refrigerator, convection microwave, and 3-burner with a little cookie sheet oven here for you. So
cookie or pizza.
Can't leave
pizza
still get the job done, right?
Yeah, absolutely. There's some space above. Plenty of room above the above the sink.
And this air conditioner too, you can upgrade it to the 15K, and it's already ducted throughout the coach.
Oh, nice.
I like that because when these are open, when the air is just being forced down through here, it's very loud. So that'll push it throughout the coach and kind of soften that up, or quiet that up a little bit. So
It's good to know.
yeah.
We swing past the.
Let's look at
camera
these
here,
bunk beds back here.
back.
You'll get the double bunk beds again on this floor plan.
Yep. Plenty of room up there for a couple kids on each. If you got 4 kids, you got a place to put them. And you're not losing a lot of space. I noticed one earlier, we had a double over double, but the angle here was really tight. So half of the double was about half the size as the other half. We got much more space on this one. And of course, you got the window up there comes out if you need to get out. Hopefully you never have to get out that way. More storage here. I like that you've got the sink, the bathroom sink on the outside.
Oh yeah.
With your medicine cabinet. That way you're saving time. If somebody's in the shower doing what they got to do in there, you can be out here getting ready. My wife and I argue all the time over who's going to be in the bathroom and taking up all the time. Back here you've got a small tub and your shower, of course. Skylight here so you can get more room if you need more room while you're in there.
Yeah, which is cool. They usually don't put the bathtubs in these campers, believe it or not. Yeah, I mean, just with the size and everything, but I think that's going to be something that separates this one from the others with the same floor plan. There's little differences like that will mean a lot to the person looking for it, you know. So
yeah, if you're looking for a small bathtub, that's adorable. I mean, if you got little kids, if you got a pet maybe, it's going to be out running around in the mud.
yeah.
Take them in there, spray them off out there, I guess. Okay.